Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain how you can change your Shopify Add to Cart button color. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and go to your admin page. On your left panel, click on Online Store. You should get to the first page, Themes. Go ahead and click on Customize. From here, on your left side, click on this icon that says Theme Settings. When you click on that, go into colors and let's look for background. It should be right after secondary colors. Okay, so here's the section we're looking for. Now, if your store background is the same with your button color, then just play with it and see which is for the button color. Keep in mind that changes on the button's color applies to all the button on your website. That includes your add to cart button. Now, once you've done changes to your button color and you're good with it, don't forget to click save to save your changes. And that's about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.